Dishwasher-safe cookware sets remain among the most requested attributes for modern kitchens, combining convenience with reliable durability. The 5 sets reviewed here span a price spectrum from budget-friendly to premium, and they cover a range of materials and technologies, from traditional non-stick coatings in hard anodized aluminum to ceramic-embedded surfaces and diamond-reinforced multi-ply builds. Product number 1. Tefal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set 12-piece. This 12-piece Tefal Signature Set targets everyday home cooks with a balanced mix of fry pans, saucepans, a saute pan, a Dutch oven, and a griddle. Key features include ProGlide non-stick interiors for easy food release, thermospot technology that signals when the pan is preheated, and vented glass lids for visibility. It's notable for compatibility with all cooktops except induction, and for dishwasher and oven safety up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, with a limited lifetime warranty from Group SEB. At 11.46 pounds, the set offers a substantial, stable feel on the stove, and the inclusion of multiple utensil options, solid and slotted spoons, slotted spatula, adds practical value. Pros: reliable non-stick performance, heat indicator for consistent results, solid build with ergonomic handles, broad accessory set, dishwasher safe. Cons: not induction compatible, oven safety limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not suitable for high temperature searing or broiling, and some users may outgrow the compact 12-piece lineup over time. In real-world use, the thermospot indicator helps new cooks avoid under or overheating oil-based dishes, while the ProGlide coating reduces the need for extra oil. However, its incompatibility with induction limits the set's versatility for modern kitchens that rely on induction ranges. The handle design is comfortable, but the lids are vented rather than airtight, which can affect moisture retention during slow simmering. Cleaning is straightforward in a standard dishwasher, though some users report water spotting on darker finishes after repeated cycles. Product number 2. Carote Non-Stick Pots. Carote's 16-piece set focuses on a budget-friendly, induction-ready package with titanium non-stick coating on reinforced die-cast aluminum. The set includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans with lids, a saute pan with a lid, a stock pot with a lid, plus essential utensils and pan protectors. It's PFOS and PFOA free and dishwasher safe, with acclaimed even heat distribution and durable construction. Weighing about 16.48 pounds, it provides a sturdy feel for everyday tasks and is designed to work on gas and induction cooktops, as well as oven use. Pros: induction compatibility, PFAS/PFOA coating, solid heat distribution, inclusive utensil set and protectors, strong budget value. Cons: lighter overall build compared to premium sets. Some users report wear on nonstick over time. Lids may not seal as tightly as higher-end glass options. In practice, the reinforced aluminum and titanium nonstick coating deliver reliable release for eggs, pancakes, and sautéed vegetables, with the set's silicone lids helping to seal in flavor. The dishwashing compatibility makes cleanup convenient for daily use. However, the budget construction might show minor flex during heavy-duty tasks, and repeated high heat use could slightly degrade the nonstick surface sooner than premium lines. The kit is a strong primary setup for budget-conscious households with induction capability. Product number 3. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set 17-piece. This 17-piece premium Tefal collection expands on the signature line with hard anodized construction for increased durability and a titanium-based non-stick coating. It includes multiple saucepans with lids, fry pans, a large covered saute, a Dutch oven, a steamer insert, a griddle, and a dedicated Egg Wonder fry pan. Thermospot technology remains a feature, and the set is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, with broad compatibility, gas, electric, not induction. The sheer volume of pieces and hardened exterior make this an attractive long-term investment for serious cooks seeking versatile cookware that can handle higher heat. Pros: rugged, hard anodized build, extensive piece count, high temperature tolerance for most home ovens, thermospot indicator, good heat distribution. Cons: not induction compatible, heavier weight, 29 pounds, oven limits on lids can restrict certain recipes, higher price point. In daily use, the hard anodized exterior resists scratching and provides durable performance for searing and browning, while the titanium nonstick interior facilitates release with minimal oil. The large 5-quart Dutch oven and included steamer insert broaden meal planning options, from one-pot dinners to fluffy vegetables. However, the lack of induction compatibility can be a significant constraint for buyers with induction stoves, and the heavier weight may impact maneuverability for some users, especially those with limited space or strength. The set's premium status is evident in construction, but it comes at a higher price and narrower stovetop compatibility.
Product number 4. Blue Diamond Hybrid Non-Stick Stainless Steel 12-Piece Cookware Set. Blue Diamond's 12-piece set introduces Diamond Bond hybrid technology, combining tri-ply stainless steel with a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface. The kit includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans with lids, a stock pot with lid, a saute pan, a turner, and a slotted spoon. It's designed for high heat, up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit oven or broiler for most components, and is induction ready with dishwasher safe convenience. The diamond textured surface aims to deliver improved durability and non-stick life, while the wrapped rims and stay cool handles enhance usability. Pros: induction compatibility, high heat tolerance, durable diamond reinforced non-stick, dishwasher safe, versatile tri-ply design. Cons: ceramic non-stick coatings can require careful maintenance to avoid scratching. Some users may prefer metal-safe utensils for longevity, heavier due to tri-ply build. In practice, the 850 degree Fahrenheit oven capability opens up high heat finishing options, while the 10 and 8-inch fry pans cover everyday searing and sautéing tasks with minimal sticking. The diamond-reinforced surface claims to offer 4x more non-stick life and 6x faster heat response, which translates to quicker preheating and more responsive control on larger batches. However, the manufacturer's care instructions suggest occasional limitations on metal utensil use, and the surface's ceramic layer may require mindful cleaning to maintain its appearance and long-term performance.
Product number 5. Carot's 27-piece ceramic cookware set non-stick. Carot's 27-piece ceramic set is positioned as a highly versatile option with detachable handles for space-saving storage and RV or camping readiness. The kit includes multiple fry pans, several saucepans, a sauté pan, a stock pot, and various lids, plus an extensive array of detachable handles and utensils. It's PFAS/PFOA free and induction compatible with dishwasher and oven safety. The detachable handle design and durable ceramic non-stick coating are standout features for users who prioritize compact storage or movable kitchen setups. Pros: detachable handles for storage and versatility, induction compatible, PFAS/PFOA free ceramic surface, broad range of included utensils, dishwasher safe. Cons: detachable handles add complexity and potential failure points, heavier overall weight when assembled. Some users may find the detachable mechanism less convenient for daily use. In real-world scenarios, the detachable handles shine for RV or apartment use, enabling easy transitions from stove to oven and tabletop serving. The ceramic coating provides easy release with low oil, and the set's wide lid options help lock in moisture during simmering. However, the detachable system can complicate setup and teardown for everyday cooking, and ensuring all components are properly secured is essential to prevent gaps or wobble during cooking. The 27-piece breadth makes it a strong value proposition for families that want an exhaustive starter kit.